Welcome to Awesome Code. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn how to create an image viewer application to view image in Tkinter's Python. First, I'm going to import Tkinter stk and from Tkinter import file dialog. We will give option to user to select the image file that we want to show in our image viewer, and going to use some image library from pill import image tk. This is from pillow module. Now I will define our class image viewer. And pass in tk.tk and then define our init function. We take self reference and args and kwr with asterisk. And then we are going to call super class or parent class init function. So it's gonna be super dot init, and this asterisk args and asterisk kw args. And now I'm going to set label, and I will name it image label, and we are going to create a label with tk dot label and pass in self. We are going to show our image on this label, and then I'm going to use self dot label image label. Dot pack function to add to our GUI and set expand to 1, and we are going to fill both. Then I will have our variable photo is set to none for now, and create a button by calling tk's button and set toss in self, then set the text property on a button to select image. and also command. So when we click this button, this command will be executed, and this will be self dot select file. This function I will define. So whenever we click on this button, this function will be called. Now I'm going to call button dot pack to set our button, and now I need to define our function select file is take self reference, and I will get a file name by calling file dialog dot ask open file name. This will get the file name the user select, and we are going to show option for image files, so we need to pass in file types. So file types will be first will be our JPEG files. This will be label for our files, and then we are going to add for the extension .jpg. So we are going to show the files with these extensions only. JPG and star.jpg file. Uppercase, and also asterisk dot jpeg in uppercase. We're also going to allow selection of PNG files, so it's going to be PNG files, and then the extensions star .png in lowercase and asterisk .png uppercase. And then if you want to allow GIF, you can add that too. GIF files and their extensions. In lowercase and uppercase. Now I'm going to use image class method open and to open our image, and I will name a variable img for image, and use image open method and pass in our file name that we get back from our file dialog, and then our set self dot photo is set to image tk dot photo image, and I will pass in our image. Here we are passing our image to this photo image class, and getting the reference to it. so we can pass in this reference to our label, self dot label. We are going to use this config method to set our image to our label, and this image property is set to self dot photo. So we open the image and pass into photo image, then we pass that reference to our label, and then we are going to create an object of our class, and I will name it iView for image view. Our image viewer, so it's gonna be image viewer. We are calling the constructor of our image viewer class, and then I'm going to use image viewers method main loop to start our GUI, and I'm just gonna save it. And there is a T missing over here for button variable, and our label name is image label. And I just need to run our program. And here is our GUI, and I can select the image by clicking on this button. And I will go to my home directory. Here you can select files, and here are the file types that you want to select. I'll go to my home directory first, and I have, I think so, image in my download folder. Download over here, and it's of PNG type, so I'm going to select PNG files. It shows up now, and I'm going to select this one and click on open, and you can see the image open in our window. So this way you can show images in a Tkinter in Python. I'm just gonna close this, and I will show you if you get an error for image TK, you can install that. If you get import error for image TK, you can use this command sudo apt-get install python 3 pill.imagetk, and then run your program. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. A Sim Code. Keep supporting me, and thank you for watching.